Proportion and continuous proportion. Proportion. If A upon B is equal to C upon D, then the numbers A, B, C, D are in proportion. A, B, C, D are respectively first, second, third and fourth proportion. A and D are called extremes and B and C are called means. We can extend by saying that A upon B is equal to C upon D is equal to E upon F and so on. Then A, B, C, D, E, F are said to be in proportion. Continuous proportion. If A, B, C, D, E and so on are said to be in continued proportion, then A upon B is equal to B upon C is equal to C upon D is equal to D upon E and so on. Let us take A, B, C in continued proportion, then A upon B is equal to B upon C. We therefore get B square is equal to A into C. B is called the geometric mean or mean proportional of A and C. We now move on to solve problems on proportion and continued proportion. Exercise 6.4, question 1. 1. Find the fourth proportional of 14, 21, 4. Solution. Let the fourth proportional be x. We therefore get 14 upon 21 is equal to 4 upon x. Now let us cross multiply to solve the equation. Therefore, 14 into x is equal to 4 into 21. Therefore, x is equal to 4 into 21 upon 14. On reducing we get x as 6. Hence, fourth proportional is 6. Question 1, 2, 1. Find the mean proportional of 8 and 18. Solution. Let us assume the mean proportional be x. Since 8, x, 18 are in continuous proportion, x square will be equal to 8 into 18. Therefore, x square will be equal to 144. Taking square root, we get x is equal to 12. Question 1, 3. If 6a cube b, 12a square b square, k and 48ab cube are in proportion, then express k in terms of a and b. Solution. Since the numbers are in proportion, hence 6a cube b upon 12a square b square is equal to k upon 48ab cube. Now, let us cross multiply to solve the equation. Therefore, k is equal to 6a cube b into 48ab cube upon 12a square b square. After simplifying we get k is equal to 24a square b square. Question 2. If p plus q upon p minus q, x and p square and q square are in continued proportion, then find x. Solution. Since the numbers are in continued proportion, x square is equal to p plus q upon p minus q into p square minus q square. We now solve for x first as we solve equations. We factorize p square and q square as into bracket p plus q into bracket p minus q. We therefore get x square is equal to p plus q upon p minus q into p plus q into p minus q. Cancelling p minus q from numerator and denominator, we therefore get x square is equal to p plus q the whole square. Taking square roots from both the sides, we get x is equal to p plus q. Question 3. Which number should be added to each of the numbers 1, 9, 13 and 45 so that the resulting numbers would be in proportion? Solution. Let the number be x. After adding x to each number, we get 1 plus x, 9 plus x, 13 plus x, and 45 plus x. Since the numbers are in proportion, therefore 1 plus x upon 9 plus x is equal to 13 plus x upon 45 plus x. Well, we now cross multiply to get the value of x. 1 plus x into 45 plus x is equal to 13 plus x into 9 plus x. Therefore, now opening the bracket we get, therefore, x square plus 46x plus 45 is equal to x square plus 22x plus 117. Bringing like terms together, we get, therefore, 46x minus 22x is equal to 117 minus 45. Therefore, 24x is equal to 72. On solving, we get x is equal to 3. Hence, the number to be added is 3. Question 4. If a plus b plus c into a minus b plus c is equal to a square plus b square plus c square, then show a, b, c are in continued proportion. Solution. Students, if a, b, c are in continued proportion, we have to show b square is equal to ac. We use a plus b plus c into a minus b plus c is equal to a square plus b square plus c square. We rearrange the equation as into bracket a plus c plus b into bracket a plus c minus b is equal to a square plus b square plus c square. Now, if a plus c is x, we get left-hand side as x plus b into x minus b is equal to a square plus b square plus c square, which is equal to x square minus b square is equal to a square plus b square plus c square. Hence, our left-hand side is into bracket a plus c the whole square minus b square is equal to a square plus b square plus c square. Now let us expand left-hand side. We get a square plus 2ac plus c square minus b square is equal to a square plus b square plus c square. Cancelling like terms from both sides, we get 2ac is equal to 2b square. So, b square is equal to ac, which means a, b, c are in continued proportion. Question 5. Into bracket x minus 4 is geometric mean of x minus 5 and x minus 2. Find the value of x. Solution. We use the property of geometric mean and get an equation as follows. X minus 4 the whole square is equal to x minus 5 into x minus 2. We now simplify by multiplication and get our left-hand side as x square minus 8x plus 16 is equal to right-hand side, which is x square minus 7x plus 10. Cancelling the like term from both the sides, we get minus 8x plus 16 is equal to minus 7x plus 10. Bringing like terms together, we get minus 8x plus 7x is equal to minus 16 plus 10. Therefore, minus x is equal to minus 6. Therefore, x is equal to 6. Question 6. 5 numbers are in continued proportion whose second term is 6 and fourth term is 54. Find the numbers. Solution. Since the numbers are in continued proportion, we write the numbers as a, ak, ak square, ak cube, ak raised to 4. The second number ak is equal to 6. The fourth number ak cube is equal to 54. we can write ak cube upon ak is equal to 54 upon 6. Therefore, k square is equal to 9. Therefore, we get k is equal to 3. Now students, it is simple. We find the value of a since we know ak is equal to 6. We substitute k as 3 and get a into 3 is equal to 6. Therefore, a is equal to 6 upon 3 is equal to 2. Now just substitute the value of a and k in each of the numbers and write their values. So we get a is equal to 2. Therefore, ak is equal to 3 into 2 is equal to 6. Therefore, ak square is equal to 2 into 3 square is equal to 18. Therefore, ak cube is equal to 2 into 3 cube is equal to 54. Therefore, ak raised to 4 is equal to 2 into 3 raised to 4 is equal to 162. Therefore, required numbers are 2, 6, 18, 54, 162.